Okay guys, the two lures I'm gonna be focusing on that is gonna be a jig and a craw. I'm hoping that, a jig and a frog. I'm hoping I can get blow-ups on this, but I don't know. I'm hoping to get on a shallow water bite, but we're gonna get fishing, and I'll probably just throw the frog where there's pads at for now, unless they start going crazy with it. But I'm gonna start out with the jig. Water says 66. I don't know how much I believe that, but you know. Come on, fish. I was gonna say, he's been gnawing on it for a while. I couldn't tell, like, he was just swimming with it, and it was like, felt like it was, I don't know. He had it for a minute though. Here's the first one. Feels pretty warm. He had it for a minute. He was swimming with it, and I was like, am I just slowly reeling it in? And I just kept lifting up, and he's still on it, and then I realized. Come on. Little guy. Get it while I was reeling in. There's number 2. Oh, I missed it. I freaking missed it, man. Come on. Are you kidding me? He took my whole craw. Oh, gosh. Holy crap. There we go. Stop. That one hit it swim, but he was also on minnows. Oh, I ripped him up. Just get him back. I don't even know what number that is. Usually I don't care if there's one craw because that's not really going to affect the bite, but the only reason I'm going to hook up another one is because I want the more kickiness of it. This one's not kicking obviously as much because it only has the one craw, but don't be afraid to throw it when it has one craw. Some people think you can't throw that. You definitely can. I don't know what that was, but it was right about there. He missed it. He missed it. You gotta be kidding me. He missed it. No shot. I wasn't even looking. I was looking to the side. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely thought I was gonna get more on a frog bite. Turns out I obviously didn't. I mean, I had a couple bites and blowups, but it wasn't like I thought it was gonna be. But got them couple jig fish, and yeah, I didn't catch one on the frog. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.